Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord 2T, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So now we have the same wallpapers on lock and home screen, and to change the lock screen wallpaper, click once on the settings section, application, and then click here to the personalizations. After that, tap to the wallpaper, tap agree and confirm, click allow, and now we can select our new wallpaper from our device photos, or just download it from the internet, for example, or also we can select one from our default photos. So let's just use this one. Click here to apply and select lock screen. Just wait a second, and now we can check and see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we can do it by the second way. Just hold for a while your device screen, home screen, and then on the left down corner tap here to OK. After that, we can select in the same wallpapers, just settings, just one from these wallpapers, click to apply, select lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.